time for our phonics poem of the week. Today's poem is all about and the title of the poem is The Whirling Surf Turtle. A turtle named Murt lived near the surf. He'd spin and twirl along the turf. He wore a bright and shiny shirt that sparkled when he splashed the dirt. He met a seal called Curly Sue, who loved to turn and tumble too. They twirled through waves, what joyful were! The sea was singing just for her. They danced until the stars would burn, then waved goodbye. Your turn, your turn. Now every night beside the surf, the turtle twirls upon the turf. How many times can you find in today's poem? You can pause the video now to see how many you can find. I found 12 in this poem. Did you find them all? If you liked this poem, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye for now.